To set up Apple Pay with Face ID, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Face ID and Apple Pay, such as an iPhone 10 or later model. First, open the Wallet app on your device. If you do not see the Wallet app, you can download it from the App Store. Next, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen to add a new card. Select Continue. Then choose the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card. Take a picture of your card or enter the card details manually. After adding your card information, your bank will verify the details. You may be asked to provide additional verification, such as a phone call or email. Once your card is verified, tap Next, then agree to the terms and conditions. To use Apple Pay with Face ID, go to the Settings app, then Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode, then make sure that Apple Pay is turned on. You can also add a new card from this screen by tapping Wallet and Apple Pay. When you are ready to make a purchase, double-click the side button to activate Apple Pay. Then glance at your device to authenticate with Face ID. Hold your device near the contactless reader to complete the transaction. Remember to always keep your device and card information secure, and be cautious when making transactions in public areas. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily set up and use Apple Pay with Face ID on your compatible device.